Hi everyone. Welcome to Laila's Creations Jewelry. I am so excited to share with you how to oxidize copper wire jewelry. In the last video, I made this bracelet, and now I am going to oxidize this. For this, you need 2 plastic bowls. One is filled with hot water, and the other one filled with normal water. Add a few drops liver of sulfur gel in the hot water bowl. Mix it well, and then put your copper wire jewelry in it. Wait for a few minutes. Add a spoonful of baking soda in the other bowl. When your copper bracelet is turned into black in color, you have to take it out carefully and drop it into soda water. Use brass to scrub it to rinse the excess color. In this way, then soak the water with a cotton cloth. After that, polish the bracelet with mini drill and polishing machine. And then you can see the result. It's undoubtedly beautiful. See the difference between before and after pictures. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Have a nice day.